electronic components we need for today are 3 female to female jumper wires, 4 female to male jumper wires, a piezo buzzer, a LED, a 10-ohm resistor, and a PIR sensor, also known as a motion sensor. This is the circuit management of the breadboard and the GPIO pins. I want you to make sure that the positive side of the breadboard is facing towards the GPIO pins and the negative side is not. And for the piezo buzzer, the positive legged anode is on 39E and the negative legged anode is on 36E. And for the LED, I want you to make sure that the long-legged anode is on 6E and the short-legged anode is on 3E. I use the editor Dhatri Python IDE. This is the code. I declared 3 variables, PIR, LED, and PB, which stands for piezo buzzer. All 3 variables connect to a GPIO pin value, which tells where the component is at. In the next line of code, I created a function that only runs when I run the function, called motion. I also created another variable called current time, which gets the exact time and date. And then I want to print motion detected at the current time and date. And then in the next line of code, I said, run the following code 10 times. So it's going to run LED on and PB on, which is piezo buzzer on. So it's going to on the LED and on the piezo buzzer for 1 second. And then it's going to off the LED and off the piezo buzzer for 1 second. And it's going to repeat that 10 times. That's the end of the function. In the next line of code, I wrote, when the motion sensor detects motion, I want to run the function motion. Now let's run the code and see the result. Thank you for watching. See you soon!